Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a shifting grid. First, let's understand what a shifting grid is. Imagine your website or application layout effortlessly adjusting itself to fit any screen, from a large desktop monitor to a small smartphone. This dynamic adaptability is the core of a shifting grid system. It ensures your content always looks great and is easy to interact with, no matter the device your audience is using. This approach significantly improves user experience and overall accessibility. To implement a shifting grid, you'll primarily work with two core principles. First, use a flexible grid system, typically employing percentages or viewport units for column widths instead of fixed pixels. This allows elements to scale proportionally. Second, leverage media queries in your CSS. These powerful rules let you apply different styles based on device characteristics, like screen width. A mobile-first approach, designing for the smallest screen first, often yields the most resilient and efficient shifting grid. Several technologies and tools can help you achieve a shifting grid. CSS Grid and Flexbox are native CSS modules that provide robust control over layout and alignment, making them excellent choices. For quicker development, consider front-end frameworks such as Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS, which come with pre-built, responsive grid systems. Additionally, JavaScript can be employed for more complex dynamic resizing, element reordering, or interactive adjustments beyond what pure CSS offers. To ensure your shifting grid is successful, follow a few best practices. Thoroughly test your layout on numerous devices and browsers to catch any inconsistencies. Optimize all images and media files to load efficiently and display correctly at different resolutions. Always maintain a clear and semantic HTML structure. This not only aids accessibility, but also makes your CSS easier to manage. Remember, a well-implemented shifting grid provides a seamless experience for every user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.